Alright, so hello everyone. I have got this 8.5-inch LCD writing tablet. It's for environmental protection. This tablet is pretty useful for our children because they can use it for different things. They can use it for painting, graffiti. They can practice. They can use it for calculation. This tablet is actually available for a pretty decent price of 150 rupees, which is pretty cheap, and it's only about $2. It's also available in four colors, so black, blue, red, green, and yellow. Let's start to open it up. Alright, so we have got a pretty decent screen over here, and we've got a stylus. Let's try something over here so our children can use it to write A, B, C, D, and any kind of thing that they want to write. They can also use it to paint on it, and it's pretty eco-friendly. The reason being, you are not wasting trees, and it does not harm the children's eye. So that's pretty great thing, because nowadays children are actually engaged in watching televisions and shows. So it's a pretty great product for children to purchase. So if you're interested, you can definitely buy it for a pretty decent price of 150 rupees.